Welcome to the future of digital finance, Neplink App and Neplink Wallet. Power your Pi journey with secure storage, easy transfers, and Web3 access, all in your language, made for Nepali youth, /create by Ganesh Poodle.
Where Pi Network gets a major upgrade. For millions, it's not just about math, it's about a digital revolution. This year, your phone is about to get smarter. Think AI-powered, blockchain-boosted, and ready for the future. Pi Network is putting power back in your hands, not just flipping the script but rewriting it. The big news? The AI-powered App Studio launches, making app creation as easy as drag and drop. No coding skills? No problem. This is for everyone, not just techies. Alongside ecosystem staking lets you support the best apps with your Pi, helping quality rise to the top. This isn't just another update, it's a declaration. The future of the internet belongs to all of us. Teachers, artists, students, everyone can help build this digital world. Pi 2 Day marks a leap forward, turning users into architects of technology. It's time to stop being passive consumers and start shaping the future. The tools are here, the stage is set. This is your invitation to build, create, and innovate. So grab a seat, class is in session. Let's build the future together. What is Pi 2 Day? It's Pi Network's annual milestone celebrated on June 28th because 2P is about 6.28. It's a global event for pioneers to celebrate progress and preview what's next. This year, it's not just a party, it's a revolution. Pi Network's foundation is solid, and now it's time for the big upgrades. The AI-powered App Studio lets anyone build apps, no coding required. Got an idea for a marketplace or community tool? Now you can make it real. The App Studio democratizes creation, unlocking innovation for everyone. Ecosystem staking is the other game changer. Use your Pi to support apps you believe in, boosting their visibility and credibility. It's like a decentralized Kickstarter, but for the whole community. The best apps rise to the top, chosen by the people. This is quality control, powered by the crowd. Pi 2 Day isn't just an update, it's about empowerment. The tools are here for everyone to create, curate, and thrive. Welcome to the next chapter of digital ownership. Why combine AI and blockchain? Because together they're unstoppable. Blockchain brings trust and transparency, AI brings intelligence and speed. When merged, you get a system that's both smart and fair. Pi's blockchain keeps everything honest, while AI helps you discover and build apps. No more hidden algorithms favoring the highest bidder. Blockchain keeps AI accountable. This combo means AI works for the community, not corporations. It helps you find useful apps, secure the network, and build new tools. The goal technology that serves everyone, not just a few. It's a philosophical shift. AI power, distributed fairly. Blockchain sets the rules. AI follows them for the benefit of all. This is the heart of Pi 2 Day, a new model for tech that empowers people, not just new features but a new way forward. The future of digital innovation is transparent, fair, and community-driven. That's what makes this year's Pi 2 Day a landmark event. Let's talk Pi App Studio, the game changer for non-coders. For years, building apps meant learning complex code or hiring expensive developers. Most people were left out, not anymore. Pi App Studio uses a drag-and-drop interface, like building with digital Legos. Pick your features, arrange them, and let AI handle the code. Anyone can create a farmer selling produce, an artist showcasing work, a community organizer planning events. These aren't billion-dollar ideas. They're real solutions for real people. The studio lowers barriers, making tech creation inclusive. Now a grandmother in Manila has the same shot as a Silicon Valley pro. It's about democratizing innovation. If you have an idea, you can build it, no coding required. Pi's philosophy: technology for everyone, by everyone. The App Studio is your toolkit for turning ideas into reality. The future is open to all creators. With thousands of new apps, how do you find the best ones? Enter ecosystem staking, Pi's answer to app discovery and quality control. As a pioneer, you can stake your Pi on apps you trust and love. Staking is a vote of confidence, not a purchase. Your Pi is just locked temporarily. The more Pi staked, the higher an app's reputation and visibility. It's community-powered curation. The best apps rise, the rest fade. For users, it means safer, higher-quality choices. For creators, it's a fair shot at recognition. No big marketing budget needed. Build something great and the community will help you shine. Staking rewards innovation and trust, not just hype. The result? A thriving, democratic digital marketplace. The power to shape the ecosystem is in your hands. Support what matters to you directly. Pi Today isn't just about new tools, it's a full ecosystem upgrade. The Pi wallet gets a sleek redesign, faster transactions, and stronger security. Managing your Pi is now as easy as using any top banking app. Node software is improved, making the network more robust and decentralized. More people can now help secure the network, strengthening Pi for all. KYC verification is faster and more accessible, keeping the network safe from bots. .Pi domains get new features, making transactions and connections easier. These behind-the-scenes upgrades are the backbone of Pi's growth. Every improvement means a smoother, safer experience for millions. The foundation is stronger than ever. Pi is ready for mass adoption. The future is being built block by block. So, what's the real impact for you? Opportunity? Plain and simple. The digital economy is now open to everyone, not just the privileged few. Barriers are falling. Anyone can create, earn, and participate. A designer in a remote village can launch an app and reach millions. Staking lets you support what matters and get trusted community-approved apps. The internet becomes diverse, local, and relevant. You're not just a user, you're a builder, a curator, a stakeholder. Every action, staking, building, running a node shapes the ecosystem. Pi Network is turning users into owners. The most powerful shift? A global community empowered and engaged. The future is in your hands. Excited? Here's what's next. The Pi 2-Day Challenge. It's your chance to dive in, build an app, stake your Pi, and join the movement. No coding needed, just curiosity and creativity. Tutorials and community support will guide you every step. The goal isn't to find the next tech billionaire, it's to spark creativity in everyone. Pi 2-Day is just the beginning, a launchpad for endless innovation. Expect a wave of new apps and ideas in the coming months. The core team will keep refining tools based on your feedback. The roadmap is shaped by you, the community. Don't just watch, participate. Download the Pi app, join the challenge, and try building something new. Stake your Pi on projects you believe in. Share your ideas, connect, and help shape the future. Every contribution matters, big or small. This is your moment to be a true pioneer. As Pi 2-Day wraps up, remember, this is more than a tech launch. It's a turning point for digital inclusion and empowerment. Pi Network is giving everyone a backstage pass to build the future. AI and blockchain together promise tech that serves the many, not the few. The App Studio unlocks creativity for all, not just coders. What started as a simple mobile mining idea is now a global movement. With these tools, the community isn't just securing the network, they're building it. Every app, every stake is a brick in this new digital world. The future isn't something to wait for, it's something to create. Pi's platform is ready, but its soul comes from you. One pioneer at a time, we're building a better digital tomorrow. And that's a story worth